Hey guys, once again we're bringing you another set of the coolest gadgets from AliExpress and Amazon sites. Links to all the products are mentioned in the description. Subscribe to my channel and click on the bell. Let's go! Introducing Ampere Tint Changing Glasses, the ultimate fusion of style and control. These groundbreaking glasses empower you to choose the perfect tint level at the touch of a button on the frame or through the Ampere app. Imagine being able to customize your world effortlessly, adapting to any lighting condition with ease. With a single charge, you'll enjoy up to 7 days of app-controlled tinting. Step into the perfect blend of nostalgia and innovation with our LED Nixie Tube desk clock. This retro-inspired clock recreates the beauty of Nixie Tube displays, using long-lasting LEDs, solving the lifespan issue. With a stunning array of 16 million colors, it effortlessly transitions between captivating digital color changes. Switch freely between 8 cool display modes using the Mode key, creating an exclusive space that matches your mood. Introducing the Beer and Wine Cooler, your ultimate beverage companion. With its innovative push-fit Flexi-Lock vented lid, this cooler adjusts to fit your cans or bottles perfectly, making drink swaps a breeze. It's not just a cooler, it doubles as a tumbler too. No need for coasters, the Stay Dry design keeps your hands and table dry. Take it on picnics, to parties, or simply enjoy chilled drinks at home. Unlock the hidden details of your subjects with the Macro Probe lens. With its 2x magnification, this lens allows photographers to capture more intricate content with stunning clarity. Its wide-angle macro feature provides a large depth of field, effortlessly integrating your subject with the surrounding environment. It is waterproof up to 25 centimeters, and its unique design allows for shooting in narrow spaces. Prepare to be captivated by the mesmerizing UFO floating speaker with its eye-catching LED lights. The Ruixinder magnetic levitating speaker uses cutting-edge magnetic levitation technology to make the UFO speaker float effortlessly in mid-air, showcasing the enchanting charm of magnetic mechanics. It's the ultimate cool tech gadget that works even when you slip papers between them. Experience music like never before. Ever wish you could stick your phone to any smooth, flat surface? Well, now you can with the incredible anti-gravity phone case. How does it work? Simple. Nano-sized suction cups give your phone the power to adhere to metal, ceramic tile, mirrors, whiteboards, glass, and even screens. It leaves no marks behind. Say goodbye to holding your phone and embrace hands-free convenience. Get ready to stick your phone anywhere. The WP5 Pro is a rugged smartphone that can withstand anything. With individual rubber and shock-resistant elements, it's built to last. The Corning Gorilla Glass 5 screen survives extreme pressure and even SUV tests. Waterproof up to 1.5 meters for 30 minutes, it conquers any environment. Capture stunning photos with the triple rear camera and enjoy the latest Android 10 experience. Plus, the monstrous battery doubles as a power bank. Gear up for your next outdoor adventure with the Multifunction Tactical Shovel. This folding multi-tool combines a shovel blade and an axe blade, providing unmatched versatility. With a solid martensitic steel construction, boasting a hardness of up to 60 and exceptional toughness, it thrives in extreme conditions. Complete with a fire starter, it's your ultimate tool for shoveling, chopping, cutting, sawing, digging, and hammering. Introducing the game-changing retractable ratchet straps. These heavy-duty tie-down straps are designed for ultimate convenience and security. With interlocking connectors, you can easily join multiple straps together for larger loads. The lockable retraction system ensures no accidental unwinding, while the manual winding wheel keeps the strap tangle-free and neatly organized. Final coating hooks snap into the housing, protecting your cargo and preventing it from flapping in the wind. Say goodbye to bulky wallets and hello to the Ridge Minimalist Slim Wallet. Crafted with military-grade materials, this wallet is built to last a lifetime. With a patented design, it can hold anywhere from 1 to 12 cards, while the money clip securely holds your bills. The proprietary metal clip ensures enhanced security and reliability, perfect for business cards, credit, debit cards, and more. Upgrade your lighting game with wireless LED puck lights. No wiring is needed, simply place them anywhere for instant brightness. The wireless design offers hassle-free operation, while the bright and energy-efficient LEDs provide long-lasting illumination. Whether you're exploring under the car hood or enhancing your kitchen, closets or display shelves, these LED puck lights will instantly transform your space. Take your selfies to new heights with the pocket-sized drone. Designed for epic aerial shots and stunning selfies, this compact and portable drone is a game-changer. With easy-to-use controls and intelligent flight modes, you'll capture professional quality photos and videos effortlessly. Weighing as much as a golf ball and fitting in your palm, it's the ultimate selfie companion. Guys, that is all I had for today. If you haven't seen these videos, I suggest you watch them. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give this video a thumbs up. Write in the comments which of the products impressed you most. Bye bye.